So I'm making a vegetable soup. This is a leek. I think this is a rutabaga. And this is radish. This is that long thing with these things on top. I forgot the name. But
Called fennel.
you guys know. And I'm gonna cut up some cabbage and put it in there as well. It's gonna be lovely. And I think I might cut up some onion and some green peppers. Cut up 3 Roman tomato, half an onion. I think I'm about to put the other half. Got vegetable broth in here. I'm gonna put some garlic that I prepared. Put some in there. So I'm just getting my broths together. Usually I just dump everything, and you know, and then you start tasting as you go. You put your broth, but because I had so much things I needed to do, I've decided to do something different.
So these are the seasonings that I use.
This is my soup. It is so delicious, so good, so delicious, and it's all vegetables, and it is so tasty, so delicious. It's my favorite soup, absolute favorite soup. Trust me, it's good. It's so nutritious. Like, I'll have some of this and I instantly feel it in my eyes. Instantly. It's like a refresher. So good in my eyes and in my nostrils. Yep.